Last video we have seen how to insert date value inside the database. Now in the video, my focus on only how to retrieve the date inside the database from the database. Let's start. Okay, let's check SQL. Okay, now system is my username and system is password. Okay, now connected. What does our table show? Table. Now this command is a source table. Like no, clear. Yes, see. Okay. Now open our workspace. Open our workspace. Patches folder, advanced the class notes, uh, simple date format conversion and insertion of the inside the database. Now open this. One time I want to revise with you guys. So now here all these things happening here. What is that? Parse into method is converting like SQL simple date format. It's given by the simple date format class to convert a specified format string date value to java.util date value. By performing reverse operation, we use format method. Okay. This is the conversion of direct to SQL. Yes, sorry. It's convert SQL to util date, this one and this one. I hope you revise this, you read this document. So now this is our table. What is the table name is our employee. Okay, let's see. Select, select the star from employee. Okay, now one record is there. One record is there. What is that? Radhika is there. So I want to retrieve the Radhika. So now open advanced Java. So I want to write some point for you guys. So new inside the new is 100%. Now here, what is that heading is today's session is only retrieve or download, retrieve, retrieving the date values, from database, database table column. Okay, database table. So now for the retrieving, you can use like a statement of prepare statement object to retrieving the value. Okay. Suppose I want to write writing some point here, so we get clarity. Now, point is that okay, we can use here, we can use either either simple statement object, statement or prepared statement or prepared statement object. It depends on our requirement for retrieving date value for retrieving retrieving date value, date value. Okay, we can use both to choose. It depends on your requirement. Which statement you want to, if now here is the requirement. If the date value, if the date value, if the date value is required, if the date value required as input value, if date value is required as input value in the SQL select query, in the SQL select query, then prefer to using where to using prepare prepare statement, prefer to using prepare statement object because it's allowed to have parameter, it's allowed to have parameter like positional parameter by using prepare statement in the in the pre-compiled compiled SQL, in the pre-compiled SQL query, and can set we can set java.util.sql.date. We can set date class object as the SQL query parameter. Okay, this is our requirement. If the date value is required as an input value, okay, in the SQL select queries, then prepare using prepare statement object because it's allowed to have parameters, not required to pass like name and all these things like column name. In the pre-compiled, it is the pre-compiled query, not it's the compiling again. Compiled again is that statement. So SQL query, and we can set java.sql date class object as the SQL query. The next point is if the date value, point number next is if the date value is not required is not required as input value in the SQL select query, in the select query, then prefer to use statement statement to use statement object to execute the SQL query. So now, if not required to as an input value in the SQL select query, then use what is that statement object, simple. Now, next point, after executing SQL query, after executing SQL select query gives date values will generate result set object having java.sql. Generate will generate result set object having java having java dot sql dot date object representing the object representing the retrieving retrieved retrieved date value date value and we can these values we can use these values we can use and we can these values okay values values either rs dot get string and or rs dot get date. These two methods you can which method is want to okay these two methods. Now I'm giving some clarity about these methods. So rs dot get string method get string method gives date values as a string in the as a string and rs dot get date method date method gives gives date values date value date values as a java.sql.date class object. Okay. And this is the difference between these two methods. Now you can use whatever you method, which method you want, you can use it. So we have two ways. First is the direct, like convert SQL date to util date. First way is there. I shown you. What is that here? 1 minute. Date values conversion is there. First one is this. Where is this? Yes, this one. First way is this one. You can use it. Only date information it will give. Okay. Now second way is convert passing the control C. First way is this. By using this also you can do it. Huh? You can do it by using this or 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 you can use second thing is there. What is that? Convert in the given value as a millisecond and millisecond takes as a where is defined na? Java.sql is there. Okay, not this one. Java.sql is there. No. Yes. Okay, here you can pass it. Like pass java.sql. Like I want to show you some point twice. Yeah. Like java.util.date. Util.date, passing the util date equals to new java.util.util.date, and here you can pass sql date dot get time method. This method is written millisecond and simple. S out in SOPs. Write the SOPs like SQL date and whatever you want. You can just print here like you do. This is the second way. Okay. So now don't waste our time. Just prepare an example. Huh? Sorry, guys. Converting. Now converting. What is that? Converting. Converting. Converting Java dot SQL dot date. In the result set object, Java dot SQL dot gather the data. Huh? So class object or Java dot util dot date class object to string class object, string date object, date values, not object, na? Date values. Object. So how? Simple steps are there. What are the steps? Prepare simple date format. Prepare one simple date format object. SDF equals to new simple date format. Simple date format. Provide the date format dd mm yy. That's it. Provide one string to store the data s equals to sdf dot format. Passing that, otherwise both the value you can pass ud or sq also sds. Just simple as out. Print what? Okay. I forgot it. I'm written down in the SOPs. SOPs. Write SOPs and here string date value is this. Class, yes, that's it. Now date value is coming out. Okay. So now this is the three ways. Okay. So now don't waste your time just preparing the example. On this same example, in this SQL dot. Okay. Creating one more project. Right click. Class. Retrieve date value. Main method is required. Just finish. First, we establish the connection, same statement. First of all, throws the exception. Throws not using try and catch still. Why? Because this is the initial way. I will show you more and more practical. Don't worry. Okay. So just try, not try. Connection on equals to driver manager dot get connection method is there. Passing the URL. Yes, okay. And here username, comma, and password. Okay, I will declare this property top of the list. So now here string URL equals to oracle dot dot oracle drive. Now string user name equals to not this is the not a URL. This is class name. URL this JDBC colon oracle colon in colon at the rate localhost colon 1521 ORCL at the ORCL. That's it. Now, username is system and string. Password is system. Connection is ready. Just import the package connection. Now here you can write a query. Okay. I will use what is that? Which type of query I will use? String like retrieve 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 date. Okay, just it. Select select star. And instead of star, you can use column name also. What is that column name? Here is the column name is break, so not required. Just pass star. Whatever. Why it's not star is coming up. Star select star from employee. Here I'm not passing the data from the user. So that's why I will use prepared statement. Okay, now create the statement. So prepare PST equals to con dot prepare statement, pass the retrieve query and I want to set I want to I want to retrieve to execute this query. So execution for this query, what is that? So simple. PST dot execute query method is there. Query method is return type is query method. Execute query method is return type result step. Pass or none. Okay, return type is result set. So better to declare result set as a globally or right now is not result set RS. That's now data come into the result set. Now process the data inside in from the result set object. That's it. Now our done is over. Our work is done. It's not coming up. Yeah. You can see. So now check while process the rs dot next process the result process the data. So by processing the data, name is and ename is the simple. These two values are as a date. Okay. Date of birth and date of joining. So now here, so retrieving the data from the, I want to storing the int ENO equals to rs dot get int method is there. What is that? Get int method is there. All the column index one. That's it. Then simple string employee name equals to rs dot get string method is there. Passing the column index two. Here you will get name like Radhika. Now, this is the important. I want to rs dot get date. Get date method is there. Its return type is result set. Okay. So now result set. Third. So I want to store inside the java.util.sql. Java dot it's returning SQL. SQL dot date. Date like SQL date of birth. SQL date of birth. Okay. Now fourth is date of joining the java.sql.date. Date SQL date of joining equals to rs.get. In the index column, it's nothing. Retrieving the data. Now our actual work will be start. Actual work will start here. So convert. So now simple convert. What is that? Convert java.sql.date to to string value to string date. I have all these things I taught teach you in the last session. Okay, how to convert. Now here pass which format you want. Simple date format SDF equals to new simple date format. Simple date format. Okay. Now pass the format. Which format you want? Like I want DD, EMM, YY. I want this format. So simple string date of birth equals to date of birth equals to date of birth equals to SDF dot format. Like format performing that reverse operation. That's it. String date of joining equals to format SDF dot format passing that value date of joining SQL date of joining. That's it. Now our conversion is complete. Okay, now I want to print S out. Here you also you can print like okay. Name. You want proper format? Okay. Employee name. Pass ENO. Employee number. Employee number. Yeah, ID. Okay. Now S out. S out. Employee name. Employee name plus ENE. E name. S out. Employee date of birth plus employee what is that date of birth. That's it. Now yes out employee date of joining like plus date of joining. That's it. Now our while loop is closing here, close while loop, and close the connection like pst.close, pst.close, okay, rs.close, rs.close, close, and on.close. That's it. Now let's check our data will drive or not. If we are be facing any type of error, we will resolve it. Just try it. Run. Run. Yes. Now our data will come now happily. This is the date of birth. This is the date of joining. So now this is the total example. I want to paste and page this example. Okay. So now this is the example. Here we performing conversion. Conversion. SQL data to string date. Now here the printing the data, here the establishing the connection. This is a simple example, nothing to do anything. Okay, nothing to do, nothing to do. It's simple. Insertion is also simple and data having is also simple. But in the YouTube, this type of videos are not there. Believe on me. Okay, guys. So please share with your friend, those who want to learn advanced Java, this type of manners. I will teach. I will show you also calendars, all these things. I will show you one more than example on the date, how to retrieve within the date, like how to calculate the ease, all these things I will show you. So thank you for guys joining me. Thank you for watching. We will meet next video. Okay, bye. Take care.